So guys, today I'm going to show you how to access a Windows 7, doesn't matter which one, which version, but how we're going to access the user, enter the user without a password, because right now you can see there is a username, password, or there's a password, but if you want to reset it, you're not going to be able to if you don't have access to. So basically it's really easy. It's going to take like 5 minutes. I got this PC right here, so I don't want to lose the Windows 7 license and don't want to lose the files from inside. So what we're gonna do is basically restart the computer and try to put it in. Give it an error. So I'm gonna wait till it loads. And okay, we're gonna see when the operating system starts loading, just turn it off. Just hold it. Okay, it's off. Start it again. And now we should have a few options pop up. Okay, so we have a Windows error recovery. So now we're gonna go to launch start repair. Don't go here, just this one. Wait for it to load. It's gonna try to fix the operating system. This might take some while, like maybe a few minutes. And we're gonna wait for it. I'm gonna put it on pause and resume when it's done. So it took less than a minute. It's asking me if you want to restore. No. So basically, if it's gonna show you that it wants to restore, just cancel it. Don't restore it. Just wait for the final message when it says that it's unable to fix it, because that's what we need. So after like 10 or 15 minutes, we got this message. I'm gonna go here and scroll all the way down and look for this link right here. Push it, like press it, open this one. Now we're gonna go to file and open. Go to your computer, main disk, system reserved. No, not here. We're looking for this one where the Windows is installed. So we're looking for the Windows. Then we go to System 32 right here. Then change to all files so we can see all the files. And we press S. Oh, we need to go down, all the way down to letter S. So set. I'm looking for the file called set HC. Where's that one? Set. Where's that? Oh, here you go. Rename it. Whatever you want. Copy or backup. And remember this name or just copy it. And go to CMD. It's gonna take a while. CMD right here. Rename. actually first of all make a copy of it. Backup, yeah. So we don't need it. Have to go all the way down and on empty space paste, and you can rename this one. Set HC. Set HC. So done here. Cancel. Close this one. Basically you can close everything. Finish. Now restart the computer. We're gonna wait for it to load. And so now when it's loaded, push your shift key, this one, 5 times. So you can see we have the command here. Now we know the user already, but we can go and see all the users with this command, net user, and you can see we have only guest and page. So we're gonna put net user page star, the star. This is gonna ask us to change the password, type a password for the user. I don't need any password, so I'm gonna just push enter. I'm gonna confirm no password, enter. That's it. Close this one. Go in here. And that's it. We're in. Thanks for watching, guys.